I used to scroll past these colors like they were filler. But then, I saw what professional artists were doing with them, and wow, they're not just underrated, they are essential. Let's talk about 3 colors you're sleeping on, and why you want to reach for them in your next painting session. Everyone wants that perfect green for trees and foliage, but mixing it from scratch? Exhausting. Olive green is that shortcut color, earthy and natural. It's not flashy, but that's what makes it powerful. It lets the rest of your painting shine. Cerise gets overlooked for being too pink, but pros know it's a glowing superstar. It glazes like velvet and lifts any composition. It's especially gorgeous in floral work, portraits, and sunset skies. Warm, soft, and luminous. Most people go straight for black when they need depth. But Payne's Gray? Total upgrade. It's smoothie, soft, and brings drama without killing your color harmony. Plus, it has this amazing bluish tint. It's perfect for skies and shadows. These colors aren't just strong solo. They are wild cards and mixes. Try cerise and olive green for a muted mauve, or Payne's Gray and cerise for instant dusk. Got a color you think doesn't get enough love? I'm always on the lookout for new favorites, so tell me yours in the comments because I might even try it in the next video. And if this video gave you some new color ideas, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and let's keep making awesome art together.